Hi everybody, Lorraine here. I have another 12-inch by 12-inch canvas and I want to do another Dutch pour. This one turned out so beautiful with just the pink that I want to try this again, but I'm thinking yellow. It might be off my rocker because yellow is kind of a hard color to work with. But I have picked out a few of my yellows here. I have Cad Yellow Light. This is a yellow deep. I have a medium yellow. And I have my gold. So I want to see how those turn out. And if I can get the same nice light effect that I got with the pink, because I was super happy with the way that one turned out. Just going to spread this out, give myself a thin layer of white on my canvas. Okay, I think my plan is I'm going to go darkest to lightest. So I'm going to start out with my yellow deep. Looks like an egg yolk. Then my gold. And some medium yellow. And then the light yellow. A little bit I'm going to put around it so I can blow over. Okay, I've got my blow dryer set on low and I've got to turn it on high because this doesn't blow very well on low. All right. See some of the gold starting to sell up down here. I like that. I like that. It's so pretty. Just a little bit of excess paint on there, so I'm just going to tilt it down a little bit towards this corner. Let it drip. Don't want to leave too much paint on the canvas. Just love that extreme sheen gold. It's so pretty. And give it a torch. Get any air bubbles out of there. Oh, there's some gorgeous cells developing. Beautiful, beautiful cells. Touch up my corners just a tiny bit here. Oh, that's terrific. Check this out. Give you a close up. Little cells popping up there. Really pretty ones down here on this corner. Here we go. I think it worked out perfectly. I'm going to let it set for a minute and I'll come back and show you the results, because a lot of times that extreme sheen that extreme sheen gold will come to the surface. Not sure if it's going to do it any more than it already has, but we'll give it a chance to try. I'll be back. Okay, here we are back. I've let this sit for about 10 minutes. It's some beautiful cell formations with that gold popping up. That's going to be so shimmery when it dries. It's so pretty. I love the soft look that the single color gives, and this looks so much like an iris. And I am so pleased. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.